Good morning. Good morning.
A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Plays a hand upon my heart as her. She was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her.
Hey guys, it's me, Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. Sorry for my morning face. I just woke up. The girls have been up for an hour, so that's what they were in the room playing. I am so tired. This week has been a long week, and I finally got to sleep in today. So today we are doing a day in the life. I'm gonna take you guys along with us.
And any heart can change you.
So the kids want oatmeal for breakfast today. So normally what I use is an instant oatmeal pack. This one's maple spice from Aldi's, and I'm gonna add some regular oats and some milk.
My mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older.
And I am cooking this at a low medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes, and it's already starting to thicken up.
Taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms. Pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change. There's a
Having made me breakfast today, I am having eggs, toast, and bacon. 90% of the time, I will always have eggs in the morning. So after the girls ate their oatmeal and fruit, they were still hungry and they wanted to eat eggs and bacon with us. What was your favorite part about breakfast?
Bacon.
Bacon? How about you, Melanie?
Bacon.
Bacon?
Melanie, mommy, I almost said bacon.
Bacon? My favorite parts were the oranges.
Ooh, so
know you-
yucky.
I know you don't like oranges, but Melanie loves oranges, right, Mel? Mm-hmm. And I already started making dinner in the crock pot. I'm actually making the cracked chicken meal that I shared with you guys a few videos ago. Our family loves eating this for dinner, and it is super yummy and easy. I'll put a link to the video in the description box below in case anyone missed it. So breakfast is done and the girls in the other room watching a show. I gotta quickly clean up this room because it is a mess. I have laundry there that I haven't put away yet, but it's already folded. I have more laundry on the ground right now in the basket. I also have to make my bed. I wasn't able to do it early this morning because hubby was still in it. So we're about to do that right now. Before I clean the room, I am gonna change into my workout clothes. I am gonna work out right after I'm done cleaning. So I'm gonna change into this gray workout shirt with these black and gray workout pants, which are super comfy.
I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
So the girls' room is also a mess too, but we're gonna have a little competition, right, girls? Where whoever cleans their room first
Wins.
is the winner.
Wins and get that.
Okay, they'll get the trophy, your dancing trophy. You guys ready?
Yes, how we gonna win right now?
Oh, okay.
And we're gonna put it right here, and whoever wins, maybe the family or the kids.
Okay. I'm gonna start cleaning my room. Good luck, you guys.
Look, it's gonna be surprised.
See, that's one way to get them excited about cleaning, a little friendly competition, and they love winning things, so this is gonna be fun for them. Next, I'm gonna fold some clothes. I'm also gonna put away some of the laundry that I folded last night, and then I'm also going to clean my nightstand too. So as I'm folding clothes, I realized I have no summer clothes, and summer's almost here in Florida. I don't really shop for clothes online, but for everything that's going on, I'm going to have to. I just had bad luck with online clothes shopping. Let me know in the comments down below where's your favorite places to shop online for clothes so I can check them out.
Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire
All right, let's see how the girls are doing.
Mary.
Wow, you guys.
Nah, nah, nah.
I don't see no toys on the floor. Good job, girls.
Yeah, but how do you play Miss Mary Melody? Miss Mary Melody. The winner of this challenge is the kids because we finished up first, and we gotta put this away somewhere there. That we.
Now it's time to put these clothes back to where they belong. We have been quarantined in our house for about 3 weeks now, and I've just been trying to keep our home positive, clean, and ready for the spring. How have you guys been doing with your homes? Have you guys started spring cleaning yet? I still need to spring clean the whole house, but today I'm just gonna tidy up a bit.
I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
The last thing I'm going to do in my room is wipe down my nightstand and my dresser with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. I love this stuff.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
Having my room clean brings me so much joy and peace. It's the little things that count, you guys. Now it's time to squeeze in a quick workout. Lately I've been doing home workouts since the gyms are closed. Today's workout is by Sydney Cummins, and I am doing a 30-minute butt and thigh workout with mini bands.
Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
And I got my mini bands from TJ Maxx about a year ago for about $7, and they work wonders. I just got out the shower. My hair is so wet, but I'm gonna let it air dry. The kids are hungry, so we're about to have lunch now. Here I'm just making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for Bella, and Melanie's gonna be having a salami and turkey cheese sandwich, and I'm gonna add some apples and some leftover french fries I made last night.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile.
My oldest Josiah is quarantined with his dad, and I miss him so much. I'm gonna be seeing him soon, but I know they both are having a blast together.
Was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
And so we are riding some bikes. It's so nice out here today.
Be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
Daily neighborhood walks and bike rides have been happening at least once a day at our house, and we love them. The chicken's basically already done. Now it's time to add the cream cheese and bacon. As I was passing the girls' room, I quickly remember I forgot to vacuum the room, so I quickly went back over to do it. So we have been playing board games, watching movies, and doing arts and crafts about every day, and it just gives us something to look forward to, and the kids get super excited about it. So today we played Jenga.
I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is
Dinner is done and it looks so good, you guys. For dinner, and we're watching a movie.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me.
So the kids are in bed sleeping, and I have to wash some dishes. I forgot to buy more soap for the dishwasher, so I'm gonna have to hand wash all this. But you know what? I am thankful for water and soap.
Around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.
You guys, I'm so exhausted and tired. Today was such a long day, but we got a lot of things done. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely subscribe, you guys. It is totally free to do so, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!